App won't start because of the icucnv58 library DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist, and I have a safe, verified method to fix that broken execution path. Before we get into the manual guide for icucnv58 library, you can try the suggested utility for improving overall system health. This is the icucnv58 library, part of the International Components for Unicode ICU library. It manages localized character set conversion and data mapping between UTF-8 and legacy encoding standards, essential for cross-platform applications to handle localized text strings correctly. Its absence triggers an ICU Initialization Failed crash. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. A missing icucnv58 library DLL usually suggests that a failed update removed a critical piece of the ICU integration, so reinstalling the latest version of your software, where the error was shown, will automatically restore the library and update the registry links. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including icucnv58 library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Next, we'll move beyond the basics. If your screen hasn't changed after the restart, follow me to step 3. If you need to pause the video while your folders load, don't hesitate. If those core system files are still missing after the restart, we'll use DISM to pull fresh copies from the cloud. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM space /online space /cleanup dash image space / restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this triggers a deep cloud sync to replace corrupted local system manifests with verified master files directly from Microsoft servers. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. Safety is paramount. Never attempt to replace icucnv58 library DLL with binaries found on unverified download portals that lack quality control and often distribute files incompatible with modern Windows security updates. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. If your workstation feels less efficient, the resource below provides background information on managing icucnv58 library. To keep icucnv58 library running with a stable configuration, subscribe to our channel and like this video to help us reach more users in need of support.